you. Sobrang rami natin natutunan with that video. It taught you about business, paano magsimula, leverage, etc. So yung pinakita kanina is para magkaroon ka ng leverage, para maputol na yung cycle mo sa pagiging empleyado mo. Yung solution lang is to franchise Jollibee. So yung question niya kanina, meron ka bang 40 million in order to have that leverage business? But good news kasi may i-introduce ako sa inyo ngayon na isang leverage business with just a minimum capital, pwede ka nang magsimula. So, di ba, sobrang ganda. And with that, Orbis Victus International made it possible na kahit konti lang yung meron ka ngayon, pwede ka na makapagsimula agad. Kahit empleyado ka, you can start this leverage income. And kahit nasa bahay ka ngayon, you can do this home-based part-time. Kaya with the power of Orbis Victus International, we're super thankful with this opportunity, and it is everything that is guiding us. That's why it thinks that in everything we do, we think of you. So, ang napakaganda kasi itong OVI is an insurtech company. So we are an insurance plus technology company kung saan mas pinapadali namin yung traditional processes sa insurance. So ganyan kaganda. And we are also partnered with big companies here in the Philippines. One of it is Stronghold Insurance na 62 years na in the industry. So mas matanda pa sa atin. So sobrang laki, and is one of the biggest non-life insurance here dito sa Pinas. Kaya gano'n na lang ka-stable, gano'n na lang na makapagkakatiwalaan ng OVI kasi tingnan nyo, even si Stronghold nagtiwala that OVI has something to give. So sobrang ganda and sobrang galing. And we also partnered with UBX, our technology partner na powered by Union Bank, also one of the most renowned banks here in the Philippines. Kaya ganyan kaganda ang partners natin. That's why ganun na lang yung tiwala ng mga nagsa-start dito sa ating opportunity. So what we are sharing here is protection emergency fund. So why do we need to get sealed? So actually here in the Philippines, every year tumutotal ng 684 billion yung gastos sa hospital due to accidents and healthcare. And half of it, 54%, which is 373 billion na gastos sa hospital, binabayaran ng mamamayan from its pocket. So galing mismo sa kanyang bulsa. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So yung binabayad sa hospital, nanggagaling sa income, nanggagaling sa savings, nanggagaling sa pagsasangla ng mga ari-arian, motor, bahay, or alahas. Or kung wala ka nga mismo savings, dumadating sa point na nangungutang or nanghihingi tayo ng support from politicians or from the government. And sad to say, because of that, around 1.5 million families per year ang naghihirap kasi hindi sila prepared, kasi wala silang emergency fund na mapagkukunan in case man na may mangyari sa family members nila, especially yung mga breadwinners. Ayan. So gusto nating i-avoid yan. Kung ikaw gusto mo ma-avoid yan, mga nandito ngayon, this is the time that you need to get sealed, because here we are here to protect your hard-earned assets. We are here to protect also your family, kasi sino ba yung pinakauna na maapektuhan when it comes na maghirap tayo financially? It is the family. And you will have the peace of mind. In case man na may mangyari, meron kang fund. So we have OVI to support you financially. So palagpakan natin lahat ng mga nandito, ng mga nakapag-decide and protected na. And good news, huwag kang mag-alala kasi hindi lang ito sa isang simpleng protection plan or emergency fund. Pwede ka actually kumita rito. And this is open here, yung mga employees nandito sa Pinas or mga lahat ng mga taon dito sa Pinas or even OFWs. And good news, kasi we are very affordable. Our protection plan is very affordable and is one of the cheapest in the market. And lastly, super fast yung claims natin and registration because we are an insurtech company. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our first protection product, our Seal Pro. This is our coverage. So kung ikaw mag-a-avail ka ng bronze, you will have all of these benefits. So first, personal accident coverage na 500,000. So the way I see it, para itong meron kang patago ni OVI na 500,000 in case na maiwan mo talaga yung pamilya mo dito sa Pinas. So This is an accident insurance, pure accident insurance. So we have personal accident coverage na 500,000. Next is total permanent disability. So hindi ka na makapagtrabaho, disabled ka because of an accident, you will also receive 500,000. Unprovoked murder and assault, so hindi inaasahan, wala kang ginawa, pero ikaw yung tinarget, your family will also receive 125,000. And ito napakaganda kasi meron tayong medical reimbursement up to 100,000 pesos. So lahat ng nagastos sa ospital, from the admissions, lahat ng mga gamot na binili mo from outside the hospital, na mga gamot for your treatment para sa injuries, etc., sagot lahat ni OBI up to 100,000 pesos. And additional, if nagpa-hospital ka to recover from your injuries from an accident, meron ka ring 1,000 per day na cash support for 10 days. So that is a total of 10,000 pag ikaw in the hospital for 10 days. And plus, we have also burial assistance na 25,000 pesos. So, gusto ko magtanong sa ating mga participants nandito ngayon, sa tingin niyo, how much yung ilalabas nyo in order to avail all these benefits, in order to avail the peace of mind of this bronze coverage? So, tingnan natin yung mga magko-comment. Sa tingin nyo, guess nyo lang, lucky guess lang, kasi we will, ipapakita ko naman talaga yung price. Ayan, wow. So, yung comment, merong sabi, this is 20K. Yung price po nating bronze is 20K in order to avail this. Any other suggestions? Ayan. So, tingin nila 20K. Siguro yun yung usually sa insurance companies. But, our bronze is for only 3,000 pesos. One-time payment, one whole year ka na na-covered. So, bali yung monthly, lalabas na 250 yung nilabas mo, or 8 pesos per day. Sobrang liit lang, and at the same time, ang laki ng coverage. That's why ang raming nag-a-avail ng ating bronze. We also have another one. We have our platinum. Yes, maximum pearl, value for money. Ayan, so we also have our platinum. This is the same as bronze, pero dinoble lang lahat ng coverage. So instead na 500 lang, we have 1 million personal accident coverage. Total permanent disability, 501 million. Unprovoked is 250, and good news, medical reimbursement instead of 100,000, that is 200,000 medical reimbursement fund for you. Daily hospitalization is 2,000 instead of 1,000. So kung 10 days kang na-admit, meron kang 20K na cash support from OBI, and the burial assistance is 50K. So etong platinum, doble yung coverage. Good news kasi yung presyo hindi dinoble. That is for only 4,500 pesos per year. Parang 375 pesos per month and 12 pesos per day. Value for money, sobrang laki ng coverage, at the same time, ang liit lang ng ilalabas mo. Imagine kung meron kang 4,500, ilalagay mo siya sa bangko, kasi sasabihin mo, ito yung emergency fund ko, ito yung fund ko in case na may mangyari sa family, etc. Yung 4,500 na yan, sa tingin mo kakasya ba yan? Diba? Hindi. So, emergency room pa lang siguro hindi yun kakasya kasi ngayon sobrang mahal. Alam natin na sobrang mahal mga hospital. That's why value for money talaga itong OVI. And good news kasi hindi lang hanggang 1M, pwede kang mag-upgrade up to 3M yung coverages mo. Here in OVI, we are offering pure accident insurance as of now. But huwag kayong mag-alala kasi in the future, the company is planning this in the future na mag-release kami soon ng HMO, car, motorcycle, house, fire, and calamity. So, sobrang ganda palakpakan naman natin kasi itong OVI, hindi lang siya short term. We're actually thinking long term. Yes, so napakaganda kasi we're not only protecting Filipinos dito sa Pinas, but we can actually insure yung mga nasa abroad. That's why we have partners from France, Europe, Asia, America, etc. And our claims has also reached nasa ibang bansa. So we have one here from Japan, iba nasa Pinas, mga OFW na nasa labas, ngayon umuwi sa Pinas and naka-avail ng ating insurance. And good news kasi sabi ko nga, this is very affordable, fast rin yung claims, and we are the only direct sales company na nag-i-insure ng mga kababayan nating OFWs. Kahit ikaw na mag-i-insure na mag-share is nandito sa Pinas. Ayan. So, good news kasi ikaw na nakapanood ngayon, pwede mong i-insure sarili mo, pwede mong protektahan yung sarili mo, or ikaw isang OFW na nandito ngayon, pwede mong i-cover yung sarili mo ilan lang naman yun yung 4-5, ilan lang naman yun yung 3,000. But good news kasi we have packages na pwede mo na ma-insure sarili mo, mai-insure mo pa yung the rest of the family mo na nandito sa Pinas or yung mga kasama mo na pamilya. So, we have our first set. So, we have Essential Pro na insured ka with 1 million. At the same time, you can cover 6 of your family members. Diba? Good news na good news kasi once you avail that individually, yung price po niyan is 22,500. But good news kasi since set siya, you can just get it for only 15,990. So, sobrang ganda. And we also have enterprise. Kung malaki kayong family, that can cover up to 9 persons. So, included na ka doon. And the value of the products here is 42,000. But since set mo siya i-avail, that is for only 29,990. So, sobrang sulit na sulit. And kung ikaw, isa ka ring malaki rin yung family mo, gusto mo insure relatives mo or kahit kapitbahay mo nga isama mo, or are you a company owner na maraming empleyado na wala pang insurance? So, sa totoo lang, in case mo na may mangyari sa mga empleyado mo, saan ba yan nalapit para mag-cash advance para pambayad sa ospital? Di ba syempre sa'yo na company owner or sa'yo mismo na may-ari ng negosyo. So, it is very important also to insure your employees. That's why here, our max Victus na package, you can insure up to 27 persons here also. And sobrang laki na masisave mo kasi instead of 100,500 yung babayaran mo, that is for only 79,990. So, grabe, ang laki na masasave mo and at the same time, ang rami mo pang poprotektahan. So, aside from those products worth of your package, you can also avail, you will have, these are your freebies sa pag-a-avail mo ng set or ng mga packages, you will receive OVI code. So, ito OVI code na to, very important ito para ikaw makapagsimula na sa ating consumer empowerment. Then you will also have your free webpage, data tracking center. So dito mo lahat magkita yung transactions ng negosyo mo, yung takbo ng negosyo mo, yung coverage mo, yung coverages mo, and yung coverage ng family mo. And dito ka rin pwede mag-encash ng income mo. So saan mo pwede rin i-encash yung income mo once you cash out na? So we are partnered also with BDO. So you will receive an ATM, dyan papasok yung kita mo. And good news, kasi daily payout po ang OVI. Hindi weekly, hindi kinsenas, katulad ng mga empleyado, hindi monthly, but we are daily. So kita mo ngayon, pwede mo maklaim the next day. So araw-araw, that is what we say, daily payout. Diba? Sobrang ganda and sobrang liquid ng ating company. And you also have access to our free trainings, to our support system, and our online programs. Kung ko ikaw OFW ka or empleyado, you can actually do this online. And this business or this community is lifetime. So saan ka makakahanap ng isang leverage business na lifetime nandyan yung negosyo mo, no risk na tawag doon, malugi ka kasi nga starting pa lang, paglabas pa lang ng puhunan mo, bawing-bawi ka na. Ayan. So, once you avail our packages, as I have said, you can avail now or you will have access to our consumer empowerment or financial empowerment program. So, this program, ito na yung simplify ko lang, ito na yung kitaan. So you will have access sa kitaan kung saan hindi ka lang protected but you can actually earn. So paano nga ba? Ma'am Shane, dyan magsimula ng kumita? So we have 3 types. You can earn through retailing, through package sales, and group sales. So retailing, simple, magbenta. So you can sell or you can share. So typically, itong insurance, hindi naman kailangan na ibenta. You can just share it sa mga kakilala mo. Oy, mahilig ka bang magmotor? Oy, palagi ka bang nagta-travel? I think you need this insurance. So pag ito yung kakilala mo na sharean mo nag-avail ng platinum, meron kang kita na 1,500. So in case man na bronze lang yung in-avail, meron ka ring 1,000 pesos. So imagine if yung nag-avail ng platinum in 1 month sa'yo, yung kakilala mo, meron kang 10 kakilala na nag-avail ng platinum. 10 in just 1 month, meron kang 15,000 pesos. 1 month. Anong laban yan sa sweldo mo ngayon, di ba? So kung bronze naman yun, meron kang 10 bronze na retail, that is also 10,000. This is an extra income. Pwede mong gawin part-time, pwede mong gawin online. So saan ka pa makakahanap ng ganitong opportunity? And also a package sales program na mas malaki pa yung pwede mong kitain pag sila nag-avail ng set. So for Essential Pro, if Essential Pro yung i-avail, you have 3,000. For Enterprise, it is 6,000. For Max Victus, that is 14,000. So imagine if yung nag-avail ng Platinum, nakapag-decide na mag-Essential Pro na lang kasi gusto niya kumita rin katulad mo. So meron ka ring 30,000 nakita for 10 of Essential Pro na mag-a-avail. For Enterprise, you have 60 and for Max Victus, you have 140. Diba? So hindi unlimited yung package sales bonus here as long as mag-share ka sa mga kakilala mo. And we also have our match sales commission kung saan once you become part of the system, you will have your left sales and your right sales. So yung gagawin lang is to create groups sa magkabila mo. So once you create groups, you will earn commissions as well, bonus, aside dun sa 3K, aside dun sa 6K, aside dun sa 14K. So kung merong Essential Pro on your both sides, meron kang kikitain na 1.8 additional. For Enterprise, you have 3.6 and for Max Victus, you have 9,000. So imagine kung dadami yung mag-a-avail sa left and right. That is where you can get, dun mo na may experience itong unlimited leverage passive income. Yung na-mention kanina na leverage income. Imagine, naglabas ka ba ng 40 million? So yung ni-require na inalabas mo is only around 16,000 to 70,000. So meron ba 40 million doon? Wala. But you will have access to a leverage business. And as a new digital partner, you can earn up to 28,000 per day, 200,000 in 1 week, and in 1 month, pwede kang kumita up to 800,000 gross income. So imagine if consistent ka for the whole year, you will have around 11 to 12 million. So saan ka makakahanap nun? Ayun. Napakaganda kasi with your decisions, eto mga taong nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen, mga OFWs lang ito, nag-decide lang din. Nag-decide na mag-try, nag-decide na mag-risk. Kasi nakita nila na sobrang ganda yung naghihintay sa kanila dito. And right now, ang rami nang nakapag-for good because of our system, because of our community, because of this opportunity. And I know na sa susunod, once na mag-decide ka rin, magiging katulad ka rin dito ng mga taong to na nag-decide lang din and nakamit yung mga dreams nila. May it be dream car, property, etc. Kung ano man yung ginawa or ano man yung dinidreams mo or life goals mo. And that's why sa daming opportunity outside, sa daming opportunity online, bakit OVI yung gagawin mo? Bakit OVI yung didecidean mo? Kasi we are the first company to do this kind of platform. We are sealing not only Filipinos here in the Philippines, but all over the world, mga OFWs. No physical products, wala tayong hassle. Kasi yung gagawin mo lang is to insure. And eto napakaganda kasi this is insurance. No need na financial advisor ka. No background judgment. Your requirement lang is to have those packages and we have bigger commissions and incomes, easy to market. Kaya ganun na lang kaganda na mag-avail ka or mag-start ka na dito sa OVI. Kaya here in everything we do, we think of you because one of the things that we are doing is to protect your future, your asset, your family, and most importantly, to protect your potential na makapag-start soon hindi ka na forever nasa pagiging empleyado because of this opportunities. May magigiba na yung cycle mo kasi alam ko ano ka na rin sawang-sawa ka na rin and I know gusto mo na rin makamit yung mga hinahangad mo sa buhay. And one important thing na dapat mo gawin as of now is to decide and make action. Kaya yun lang din yung ginawa namin before, kaya na-experience namin na ganitong buhay because we decided, we took action, and we took risk. Kaya sa mga lahat ng mga nandito, you're just starting, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi you see everyone, mga mentors and coaches dito na mag-guide sa iyo throughout this journey. Kaya congratulations for being here and I will bring you back to our host.